Playing Speedy Gorillas 3 with, what's his name, Mad Salty Gaming. And we're just going to be kind of 1v1ing. Mad Salty, I'm behind you. Hell no, bro. Oh, you got freaking monkey. I'm definitely not a... Yo, we got Mr. Squeaks here, yo. Mess with me, you mess with Mr. Shark. Hey, you better come down here on the ground near stump. Hey. What up? What up? What up? What's up? What up? Down here, monkey. Oh, Hasava. My bad. Alright, come to gazebo. You're gonna pay. You're gonna pay. Please. Alright, 1v1 starts in 3, 2, 1. Definitely not on top of here. Oh, frick. My branching. Frick! Bro, I'm stuck! Oh, frick. He says he doesn't. Look behind you! Hey! Hey, there! Hey, there! Hey! Dog, come here. My buddy, Mr. Shark. Oh, frick, bro. He ate him. Mad Salty. Hey! Oh, frick. I'm out. Please, bro. Catch me on cam. Got his ankles. Oh, hell no, bro. Got his ankles. He just slammed into the... Oh! Got the new Fudgy. Oh, my G. Oh, my G, bro. He got the new Fudgies. Oh, my G. Oh my. Got it all. Oh, frick! I got this Among Us potion from the Ohio site. Oh, frick. This will not be good. Welcome to Gorilla Town. Hey! Alright. You're not catching me.
You're too slow.
I'm definitely not on the ground. I'm definitely not on ground.
Bruh.
Kill it. So you want to end the video. Skibidi. I'm in Ohio. Oh, hell. Oh, freak. We're cooked. Behind you.
Bruh.
Guys. Yo. Oh, frick. Yo, Batman. He's not that personal. Clipped.
Bird.
Yo, you're actually getting cooked. You just got clip botted. Stop ground camping and be a monkey. I'm definitely not on walls. Definitely. Frick, go. Yes. Yeah. I got the new Fudgies on my G. I'm actually cooking him, bro. Hey. Hey.
How are you?
Don't look on the
under
lamp.
the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
Don't look on the lamp. I'm still recording mine. Come here, boy. Give me some cows. Oh, frick. I got that new frick, man. It cooked. We got that new juke. All right, Manny. Manny, man, wish death upon me. Ah! Whee! Nah, bro, you tripping. Ah! Ah! Bro, wait. I'm an eagle. Whee! I got the new Fudgies. Bro thinks he's him. You're not him, bro. Hey there. Oh! Giggles. True love. Hey. Hang there. It's definitely not D. Danovich over here. Cooked. Obliteration! Oh my god. He just got cooked. Ow, my fingaro. Oh, Mike. Kago. Oh, hell no. There's no way my guy actually fell for that. Ah, frick! Yes, but he hates it. Holy crap, what a bird. No! Ah! Nah. Nah, bro, I think I'll pass. Ah, bro, my finger! My finger not looking so good, bro. Ah! Alright. That's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching my 1v1. Goodbye.